Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for restaurants on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the search button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and after that you should go to the top and click on the restaurants button that you can find in the middle of the screen. After that, you should enable your location, so allow the application to have access to your location, or you can also enter it into this bar down below. Tap on enter location and then click or type in your location, and then you will be able to find the restaurants here down below. If you want to, you can tap on it and check out all of the relevant information. So here you can see the opening hours, you can see the menu, info, reviews and other options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.